questions for Unit PC Activity 7. As you know, with Activity 7, we had a long number 1 because of the chart. So I'm going to reference some notes right over here. Overall for the chart, I put a lot of information. Like I separated each thing. I separated the gas, liquid, and solid for each chart, each section, I guess. So mine was like a little busy. Yours was much cleaner and neater. um, for the particles being separated by space, I said gas since the simulator showed the particles were far apart and particles constantly vibrate. I put only solid and liquids, but from the simulator, it seemed gas particles are always moving, so I wasn't sure to be honest. For space between the particles being large in comparison to the particle size, I only put gas because he told us that in our notes. And I do agree, I think all particles collide, but at the same time it said particles collide and attract where gas particles don't attract. Again, that was in our notes. So that's where I got that information. The other parts of the graph and number 2, I had basically the same answers as you. And for number 3, I drew diagrams, not macro nano charts. I drew like the energy diagrams with the heat interactions that we did at the beginning of the year. So very different. For 3C, I drew it a little differently by including how the beeswax started at the melting point and then going cold, but I wasn't sure how to do that because when he said cold, he pointed outward, not connect. I don't know. I really wasn't sure, but that's how I did mine. But overall, I thought you did a great job.